Hello everyone, I hope you had a really good summer, and I know that a lot of you are getting back into classes this week or this month. Hopefully Tai Chi again, if not probably other exercise things that you're trying as well, or maybe creative things. So one thing that I want to share, I want my read this summer. I read this book over the summer, and the concepts in it are on Tai Chi, but it has really helped me with some issues that I've had with my own back. I'll give you some more information on that in a bit. But I've had some pain in my back, and I've found out the cause of it. And some of it I can't help, but some of the ideas in here have at least alleviated the pain. So I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you. I thought I'd at least get the book out to show you if you're interested in getting your own copy. But meanwhile, I will work up a plan of sharing some of these ideas with you. And also, I've been going to classes myself, just learning different forms of Tai Chi that are improving what I have been doing. So I'd like to share some of that with you as well. So I thought it'd be easier to just give a little video update rather than write it out. And I'm definitely not quite settled yet in Gatineau. I was hoping I would be by now, but it is a lot of work to move and always the unexpected things, but it is going well, and I'll get back to you soon on this. So whether you're seeing this in YouTube or however you're seeing it, I'll try to include the link, but I don't know if that's shifting backward. This is what it is. So I'll refer to it later. See ya.